This guide will walk you through the process of generating reports in Covercy GP platform. Follow these instructions to create and publish reports easily. Once you have logged into the system, identify and select the asset for which you intend to publish a report. It is important to verify that the chosen asset is actively under management. Next, navigate to the Reports tab, where you will have the opportunity to create a new report intended for your investors. Select the Create a Report option. In the initial step, you can choose either a standard quarterly report format or select the Custom option to specify your desired start and end dates for the report's period. As you scroll down, you will encounter a section to input numerical data about the asset. You have the discretion to select which cells to complete. Any cells left unfilled will be excluded from the final report, ensuring no empty cells without numerical information are displayed. More windows will pop up for you to enter text-based details about the property. These sections will be clearly labeled for different information, like a summary or the latest news about the property and its tenants. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a plus sign icon. By clicking on it, you can upload photos of the property or other relevant documents. In this same location, you also have the option to attach a PDF file of an existing report that you wish to share with your investors. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next. This entire page of the report is optional. Remember, you are not required to fill in the blank tabs. They will only appear in the report if you complete them. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next. Once you've entered all the relevant information for your investors, you'll reach a page that displays a preview of how the report will appear to investors accessing it on a mobile device. As you scroll down, you'll find the Publish button. A pop-up window will emerge, offering two choices. The first option is to publish the report and simultaneously send an email to investors, notifying them about the report's availability. The second option is publish the report without issuing any notification. The decision is entirely up to you. Additionally, you have the flexibility to save the report as a draft, enabling you to publish it when it suits you best. Under the Reports tab, you'll find a comprehensive view of all reports, encompassing both those that have been published and those saved as drafts but not yet released. Thank you for following this guide on creating and publishing reports in Covercy. You're now equipped to generate reports efficiently. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our support email. We're here to assist you.